Hi guys, me Angus and your fun guys, and I am just gonna boil the whelks, mussels, and limpets. Just cleaning them because there'll be like dirt in there, and you don't want to eat the dirt in it. So that's why I'm cleaning it. I'll drop some.
So where did you get these, Angus?
I got them in Celadike, also known as Anstruther, because it's just next to Anstruther. There's a rocky beach there. And that's where I've got all of these. So if you guys want to go, better doing it now if you want to, because it's almost end of summer.
And how do you cook these then?
Well, this is my first time doing it, so first you just get onions, right? Get onions, cut them in half, and just put them in the boiling water, and also these as well. But if you know how it is cooked, is by if you look at the limpets, right, and if like the mussel comes off, like this bit right here, if that comes off, well, that means it's ready. If it doesn't come off, you gotta leave it in there more. It's similar to the mussels, right? If they're open and they're like, and the meat is like just fell out, that means it's ready. But with the whelks, it doesn't. The red meat stays in. But if you put all of those in there, even the limpets and them, and all of the meat right falls out, but not the whelks. Well, still, it means it's ready.
Yes. Is this the water you're going to boil them? Or is this the pan you're going to boil them in?
Yeah.
So what do? Do you have the water boiling?
Yeah, I put
And
water
then
in there and just
pour all these shells into the boiling water. And how long do they stay in the boiling water?
just about 15 minutes.
Okay.
Or maybe until like the limpets and the mussel, the meat comes out.
Till the meat comes off. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. What about spices? Are you adding spices and stuff to them as well?
You could add, well, you do like have pepper and lemon to make it just better.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm boiling that one right there. And this one right here is finished. It's ready and nice, and it tastes one of the limpets, and it tastes really good.
And your onions in there as well.
Yeah. To make the flavor more stronger, make it more delicious.
Right, this one's just starting to boil up. How many minutes do you boil these for?
I'll say 5 minutes.
Are you chewing one right now?
Yeah.
Let's see, open your mouth.
No one want to see my disgusting mouth.
Yeah, well, okay. Just trying to prove it, that's all.
Yeah, it's really chewy because it's mussel.
Yeah. Right.
But sometimes
this one's
people
boiling
say
up.
like, sometimes they don't want to eat that big because it's too chewy, and it's annoying. I'm just gonna go do this so I can just so it don't get burnt. This one looks ready, see?
And what about getting poisoned with these things? You haven't been poisoned yet, no. As long as you cook them.
Well, I know how to cook them.
Enough time.
This Andrew's just poking out, just looking because he's shy.
Andrew.
Why are you looking at me? Look at the camera.
Trainee chef. He's only 8, but he's a trainee.
And also, just look at this right here. If it's open like that, or even more, that means it's ready and you can eat it.
Yeah, they look delicious because they're fresh today. We just came down from Anstruther, Celladike Anstruther with these.
Okay, I'm done.
Tonight, 1 hour ago, we just arrived here.
Okay, now I'm gonna go try this. But the only thing like I need to use is that. Yeah, the little my knife. Okay. So I found a toothpick, so I can just do this. Stab it. It's just dead.
It's dead now. You stabbed it.
There.
Any grittiness, any sand in it or anything?
Yeah, sand.
Eh?
Yeah, there's.
You don't mind eating sand?
It's edible sand.
Alright. These ones are just cooling down now. Cooked. They're cooked. These are cooked. And these have been boiled already. Right. So that's all there is to it then, Chef Angus. Yes?
Yes. And this looks like an octopus. The eyes right there.
Yeah.
It's like a little, like cat. It's like a little head what the brain is.
Alright, delicious.
And if there's like little teeth right here. Right there.
The little teeth. You eat your teeth as well?
Well, it's microscopic teeth.
Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah.
What does it taste like? Compared to what?
Well, if you used to eat mussels, it will taste like mussels, to be honest.
Yeah, okay. That's very good. Okay then. Thanks a lot for that lesson on how to cook shellfish, etc. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.